I mean, anything can happen when you step out in the day. You never know when an accident could happen. You never know what could happen. So one thing you really need is to make sure that your loved ones, your families are safe and secure. So that should be a top priority. And Geely takes that as a priority, as the slogan says.
I have 3 kids, I have a big family, and that's the most important thing for me, safety of my family. And I think that's very important for the European market.
You can see that actually the batteries, there's no flaming or thermal runaway, so you can see everything is very safe.
I saw the impact and the frame was still intact. The panoramic roof of the vehicle was still intact. The vehicle is very secure and safe for families and customers.
I think everyone thinks cars are meant to be safe, but when you get here, you realise that safety is a priority for Geely.
In Australia, we have the ANCAP safety rating, and I explain to my customers that Zeekr is above and beyond the 5-star. When you say it's already 5-star, but it's not, if there was such a thing as 6 or 7, that's where Zeekr would be.
Well, it was my first time when I was in crashing, and it was a really good experience.
Today, they actually led us to have a chance to witness how safety is the priority for Zeekr.
It was exhilarating. Loud bang, seeing the car move like that, it was like, wow. My first time, so I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it.
Safety always comes with Zeekr.
Safety always comes with Geely, and safety always comes with Zeekr.